Hypo and hyper. You'll get this in science, like the too little or under, too much or over. So here we have hypodermic. Hypo meaning under in this case. Derm is talking about the skin. So this is a type of needle that injects underneath the skin, a hypodermic needle. Hyperactive, that would be too much activity, overactive. Homo is the same or like. Okay, geo means earth, so here if we have geography, it's the study of the earth. Equa meaning equal, it's pretty intuitive. Equilateral, all right, so if you have an equilateral triangle, you would have all the sides the same. They're equal. In fact, you can have equal sides on other shapes too, like a square. Let's see, here we have one, demi, hemi, and semi, meaning half. So if we have a semicircular, we would have a circle with its half of a circle. Hemisphere, we have the hemispheres of the globe, meaning half of the sphere, a hemisphere. And the demigod, well, we're not exactly cutting a god in half, but it means lesser or not whole. Deforest, there's something for our biology class. If it's away from or down, deforest, you're cutting the trees down. Circumnavigate. Circum means around. If you, lots of times in social studies, you'll hear that some of the explorers, the early explorers, circumnavigated the globe. So circumnavigate would suggest that some of the explorers traveled around the globe. Auto, here's an interesting one. Auto meaning self. This is a term we use all the time. Automobile, automatic, but it's actually a conglomerate of a couple of different the prefix and the root for self-mobile. So it moves the self by itself. Antibiotic, against. So if we're having something that is biology, living, that's what this is talking about. This is anti that. So if you have a virus, you'll need which is biotic, it's living, you're going to use an antibiotic to get rid of it. Bellum is a term that suggests civil war, and ante means before. So a period of history of antebellum would be before the Civil War. If you understand how the prefixes join with the root, you can have a very good understanding with very little work. Let's take a look at some suffixes.